What is it? Obviously the previous video you guys have seen the fix of the Skoda, and I do appreciate all the comments. Before it goes, let's just do a POV drive of it, my impressions, what I think, what the car's like. We have dated the car for a week or two. See if we can gap that police in front of us. Bye. Oh no, you are not going past me. Like, we've driven an A3 8L, an Audi TT, same like 8L platform, and this is the Skoda Vrs Mark 1. They all had the 1.8T engines. I know the TT has the S3 BAM engine, but let's just take that away. Let's just say it's an 1.8T platform. They all had that same lightness, sketchy feeling in the drive. I felt like the Audi TT, the performance and the quality of the build is better than the VRS and the 8L. Not just the quality of the build, because it had heated seats, it had leather interior, it felt good, it drove really, and it was 2002. That back then, in that era, what I feel like is ahead of the game. And this being in 2005, you'd think it'd be a lot better than the TT, but honestly it's not. It feels like a really good family car. It is a 5-speed and it does go quick. But the Audi TT had a 6-speed gearbox. It just flew, it just went fast. I mean, those comments that people were asking me, is it remapped to tuned? But no, it's a stock 225. 32, boom. It doesn't normally sound like that, it's just that there's a hole in the exhaust. It is quick. This is a K3 turbo. They will run out of puff, and the TT, the K4 turbo, will just carry on going to the end of the rev. Still spools early EC2968. That's MOT exempt, tax exempt. Oh, look at the exhaust. Look at all the smoke coming out. Oh, he did it. He just done us. Oh my god. Let's go to him. Look how fast it's going. He just done us. How has he got no helmet on that? Is that illegal? Because like, if he crashes, where's he gonna go? He's going miles per hour. What is it? That's the generation ahead of us. Yeah, that's nicer than the one ahead, isn't it? He's going so fast. Has he got goggles on? Because it's the heat and the exhaust. Looks like water white. Oh my god, look at him twitching. He's skidding. What's that? Sir, that is amazing. What is it?
It's a hybrid. It's a Bentley chassis with an AP engine and gearbox.
Bentley chassis, axles, AP engine, gearbox. You're a driver, look after yourself, okay? It was supposed to be about this car, but that just stole the show today. Didn't sound like the type, but he really is a driver. Do a little run now. That was fast. As well though, and it needs a bit of blast after it's been parked for almost 2 years. That Subaru Impreza, I wouldn't mind that. Subaru just dusted me. He was like bang bang like a rally car. Nah, I'm in the Subaru now, like face up. Got right in. Watch the brakes there. What the hell? Man. Try this car, man. What a G. Oh my. Guy driving, you know. Oh, look at the colour. Oh, mashallah. Nice. How much did you pay for that? 200 grand. What do you do for a living? Pharmacist. Mashallah, bro.
We're in the wrong business.
I know, bro.
I'm telling you, this is not 180.
Bro, we did it, bro. To your left,
Yeah.
huh? Bro, we got him.
We took him, bro.